Hello class 3. In today's class we are going to start new chapter from SST, that is chapter 14, Delhi. Now Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other three sides. Delhi consists of two parts, New Delhi and Old Delhi. New Delhi was built by the British government. Okay, so children, you all know that Delhi, isn't it? The name of our country is India. So, what is the capital of India? What is the capital of our country? Delhi, isn't it? So, it is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is located near Yamuna river. Okay, and Delhi was surrounded by two states as border. In the east, that is Uttar Pradesh, and on the three sides Haryana. Understood? And Delhi consists of two parts, that is Old Delhi and New Delhi. And New Delhi was built by the British government at the time of British rule. Now the government of India and Delhi. All the main offices of the government of India are located in New Delhi. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has one of the most beautiful gardens called the Mughal Garden. So you can see the picture. This is called Rashtrapati Bhavan, where our president lives. So do you know who is the president of our country? Ramnath Kovind, isn't it? You all know that. So Ramnath Kovind is the president of India who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Rashtrapati Bhavan is also located in New Delhi. Okay, and all the main offices are also located in New Delhi, in capital of India. Okay, and it is one of the most beautiful garden built at the time of Mughal Emperor. Okay, that is called Mughal Garden. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the Red Fort. So this is Red Fort. You can see the national flag at the top. So on Independence Day, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, hosts our national flag from the Red Fort. The session of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. This is Parliament House, which is located in New Delhi. So Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha will be held in Parliament House. Now next one is tourist attraction. Tourists from all over the world visit Delhi. It has many ancient monuments. So you all know that many peoples or tourists from all over the country come to visit Delhi, isn't it? So there are many places, many ancient places, many old places, old monuments found in New Delhi, which is tourist attraction, which is very famous for tourist attraction, like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Lotus Temple and St. James Church. You can see the picture, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Lotus Temple. Now Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar, a majestic tower, was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. So this is Qutub Minar. Most of you have seen that Qutub Minar is a very tall tower which is located in New Delhi, and it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, okay, the great king of India. Okay, so Qutbuddin Aibak. And Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, Zoological Park, Rajghat, Nehru Planetarium and many more places were located in New Delhi, which is very famous for tourist attraction. Understood? Now there are several places of worship for people belonging to all religions in Delhi. Some of them are Gurudwara, Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, Birla Mandir, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple and St. James Church. So children, beside tourist attraction, there were many places which is famous for worship, worship. Okay, people go for worship for all religion like Gurudwara, Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, Birla Mandir, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, and St. James Church. Now climate. So what will be the climate of Delhi? Let us learn. Delhi has an extreme climate. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. A hot dry wind called Lu blows during the summer months. It rains during the monsoon months of July, August and September. So, Delhi has an extreme climate. Extreme means it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Understood? So, in hot summer season, dry wind blows during summer months, that is called Lu. Okay, and it rains during July, August and September. It will be the monsoon season and it rains heavily in Delhi. So people from all states of India live in Delhi. People wearing all kinds of clothes in Delhi. So all the states of India, they work in Delhi to survive their livelihood. Okay, and people of New Delhi, they wear all types of clothes. Like most men in Delhi wear trousers and shorts. Most women wear sari or salwar kameez. So most of the men in Delhi wear trouser and shorts, and most women wear sari and salwar kameez. People from all regions and religions live and work in Delhi. All major festivals are celebrated in Delhi. So, people from all religions and all states, all places, they work in Delhi. Okay, and all the major festivals were also celebrated in Delhi.